Okay, we've got 97 divided by 3. So I've got my 97 here. And I'm ready to go. First question, starting in the tens column, is how many groups of 3 tens can I make from 9 tens? The answer to that is 1, 2 groups. I can make 3 groups of 3 tens. So let's pop a 3 there. And we put a 3 above our sum. And there's no remainders, nothing to exchange, so we can go on to the ones column. Okay, second question. How many groups of 3 ones can we make from 7 ones? That's pretty straightforward. We can make 2 groups. Let's quickly pop a 2 down there. Pop it up here. But as you can see, I've got 1 left over, and we end up putting a little R here, which stands for remainders, and we put a 1 there. I'll just squeeze that in there, so you can see that the answer to the first sum is 32, remainder 1. Okay, let's go straight into a second one. Okay, we need to make this number now. See if you can guess what the number is while I'm going to write it up. It is 79 divided by 3, so let's get this written down on here as well. So start with the 3, draw my bus stop. As you know, use a ruler in your books, and write down 79. Okay, I think we're ready to go. First question, tens column. How many groups of 3 tens can I make from 7 tens? Well, I can make 1 group of 3 tens there, 3 tens being 30, and a second group there of 30. So I open up with the fact that I can make 2. So I'll pop a 2 in there, write a 2 there. You might have noticed that I've got 1 set of 10 left over, so I'm going to have to exchange that from 1 set of 10 into 10 ones. And there it is. So I'll take that away, and that will look like this on the sum. So you now will notice that in the ones column I've got 19 ones. So my next job is to ask how many groups of 3 ones can I make from 19 ones. Well, looking there at the way I've laid out my 9, I've got 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, so that's 3 groups of 9, 3 threes are 9. I can definitely make a 4th one, and a 5th one, and I can get in a 6th group of 3, but look, I've got 1 left over. So, one step at a time. I made 6 groups of 3 that you can see there. You can see I've got 1 left over here, and so I write in 6, remainder 1. Okay, 1 to go. Okay, our last one is 94 divided by 3. So, as carefully as I can, there's the 3, there's the bus stop, and the number that I'm going to divide goes inside the bus stop. Right, looks like I'm ready to go. Question number 1. How many groups of 3 tens can I make from 9 tens? Now we did do this in the first sum, and you can see that I can make 3 groups of 3 tens. And 30 times 3 does make 90. So I'll pop in my 3 there. And then I've got 4 in the ones column. So how many groups of 3 ones can I make from 4 ones? I can only make 1. Good to do it one step at a time so you don't make mistakes. So I've got my 1. I'll write it there, but you'll notice I've got 1 left over. So I need to put my little r in there, pop in my 1, and write down remainder 1. So 94 divided by 3, you will get 31.